Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the cruise control on the BMW F30 320i. Well, all 3 series F30s and 4 series will be the same. So you have these buttons on the steering wheel. These are your main controls. That's to start your cruise control and turn it off, on and off. That's to resume your journey. If you get say you brake and it stops going at that speed, you just press resume, it'll go back to that speed you set, and that's to set the speed. Okay, so I'll press it now. There you go, cruise control is on now, and can you see that orange mark? That's what the speed is at. So say I was driving at 50 miles an hour. Obviously I'm driving at 0 because I'm not driving. So yeah, say I was driving at 50 miles an hour. What I'd do now is press set, and it will stay at 50 miles an hour. It'll also brake for you as well. So say you're going downhill and the speed camera coming up, it will brake for you. It'll keep you at 50 miles an hour no matter what. It's like a version 2 of a cruise control, I'd say. Version 1 is like my Golf one, where it just stays at a speed and it doesn't brake for you. This one, it actually brakes for you. If you drop the speed down, it'll actually brake for you rather than using engine braking. It'll use actual braking. Alright mate, look what is back. Okay, so yeah, where did I get up to? I got interrupted. So yeah, cruise control on, you press set to set it to that miles per hour, and then it'll turn green. So when it's green, that's when it's active, and that's what speed is at, which I like. And say you're 50 miles an hour and the speed just changed to 40 miles an hour or something, or you can literally drop it down with this 1 mile per hour. If you hold it, it drops by 5 miles per hour at a time, and yeah, it'll brake for you. And yeah, so if you brake normally, so say someone just cuts in front of you, if you brake, it'll drop the cruise control off. So it'll stay here still, but it won't be active. It'll be back to orange. So what you do then, once the guy's clear, obviously press set again. It'll go back to that speed wherever you set it at. You can always change the speed whenever you want, just up and down, you know, easy. Yeah, that's how you use the cruise control. It's very easy to use. This is the version 2.0. Version 3.0 is basically the newer one, which has lane keeping assist and all that stuff. That's your next level cruise control. And radar, where it keeps you a certain distance from the car in front, you know, like he's showing here, a car in front, how much distance, you know. So yeah, that's how you use the cruise control, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. What man? Huh? That one? Bloody bastard. What the fucking you say? You taking piss in me? Bloody bastard. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and good night.